Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you how to turn your photos into eye-catching letter collages in Canva. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels as your dimensions, and you're ready to proceed. Go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Scroll through the options, then click and drag a print element onto your workspace. Click the Add button, then select Currency from the list. This allows you to include and track different currencies within your project. Resize this object to your preferred dimensions. Then, duplicate it. Next, move the duplicated object and align it next to the original for even spacing. Press Ctrl plus V to quickly duplicate your selection and create a copy in place. Now, let's add an important key piece to the project. Press Ctrl D again to duplicate the frame. Now you have a new frame ready. Next, you need to add pictures to this frame. Select the Image tool, click inside the frame, and choose the photo you want to insert. Adjust the image as needed. To start, open your web browser and navigate to google.com. In the Google search bar, type in for number 1. Press Enter or click the Google search button to begin your search. Review the results that appear below the search bar. Look for information or resources relevant to the phrase in for number 1. You might see web pages, articles, or other search results that match or reference this phrase. Click on any result that best matches what you're looking for. If you need to try a different wording, go back to the search bar and edit your query as needed. You can refine your search to get more specific results by adding additional keywords or using quotation marks around your phrase for exact matches. Continue scrolling through the results and click the Thank You button to acknowledge a completed action or express your appreciation. This button is usually located at the bottom of the interface or near confirmation messages. Once clicked, a notification or pop-up will confirm that your response has been received. This feature helps maintain clear communication and lets others know you've seen and appreciated their efforts. It's a simple yet effective way to foster positive interactions within the software environment. To add a text element and search for 210, first, locate and select the text tool in your software's toolbar. Click anywhere on your project canvas to place a new text box. Type your desired text, then use the search bar or filter options within your font or style menu to look for 210. Select the matching font or style labeled 210 to apply it to your text element. Open the FontTime program. Locate the black box area on your screen. Click inside the black box to activate it. Now, type the letter A to see what happens. If nothing appears, try typing the letter A again, making sure your cursor is in the box. In addition to entering a letter, you can also add another texture. Select the option to add a texture, then follow the prompts to apply it to your project. Type in the required text in the input field. This ensures your information is recorded exactly as needed for the process. Double-check your entry for accuracy before moving to the next step to prevent any errors in the workflow. These are the single tags. Scroll down to locate the Add button. Click to add another letter tag. This allows you to include multiple tags to categorize or organize your content as needed. Change the folder type to Wallet by selecting the folder and updating its properties. Once updated, locate the specific area you want to use and crop the content to focus on that section. Use the crop tool to adjust the dimensions precisely, ensuring you only include the relevant information or visual element. After cropping, navigate to the Effects panel. From the available effects, choose the one you want to apply to your crop section. Drag and drop the effect onto the cropped area. Adjust the settings of the effect as needed to achieve your desired look. Review the changes to confirm the folder type, crop, and effect have been applied correctly. Make any additional adjustments to click the Save button to store your changes. Now, let's preview what you've saved. Locate the Preview or Show button on the toolbar and click it. This will display the updated content with your recent changes applied. Use this feature to verify everything looks correct before you finalize or share your work. Click the Back button to return to your previous screen. Next, locate and click the Share button to open sharing options. In the menu that appears, select the Download option to begin downloading your file. Wait for the file to finish downloading. This may take a few moments depending on its size. Now, access your downloaded file as needed. Download the file provided. Next, add a new page to your document. After adding the page, insert the letter onto it. Now, click and drag to move the letter into position as needed. Finally, use the corner handles to enlarge the letter until it fits your desired size on the new page. You can repeat this process for other letters as well. For example, update the field here, add your next value, and include another entry like this. Next, add the letter C in the designated area and repeat the previous steps. Continue following the same pattern for each additional letter you want to include, ensuring you update, add, and insert each one accordingly. This keeps your entries consistent throughout the process. Now it says to paste this. Copy the code provided, Then go to your website or the specified location where you need to add it. Paste the code exactly as shown to ensure it works correctly. Double check for errors before saving your changes. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose the option to download these 3 pages. This will save the selected pages to your device as files. Now you know how to craft awesome letter photo collages in Canva. Give it a try! Like and subscribe for more creative tutorials.